Guys, if you're looking for a big ass hog cooker, you've come to the right place here at TMG Pits. We've got my man Jeffrey's Roll-Off XL 72x36 rolling out today. Now this ain't Jeffrey's only pit. He also ordered a badass 500-gallon off-road. Y'all check that out in the next video. But on the hog hauler, let's check it out, hog flipper, sorry. We'll open it up. So guys, we offer this in a lot of different sizes. This is the 72x36, this is a bigger one. We have multiple smaller sizes, and this got our flipping grate in it. So the way that works, the grate flips 180. You can check out the mechanism here. Nice and smooth. Now on the grate itself, this top grate is removable. You got 4 wing nuts to buzz off there. Lift the top grate off. You can sandwich your hog or your chickens on there. And you don't have to use that. You can just use it as a normal cooker. We've also added a couple grates that just stand in here. They're not in here right now, but they'll just stand in there. So if you want to use it like a normal direct heat cooker, it'll do that as well. Insulated on the bottom. This is all 1/4 inch plate steel. On our off-road package, of course, he's got some upgraded wheels and tires on there to match his 500-gallon pit as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. The lid is strut assisted, so it makes that nice and easy. So guys, that's it on the roll-off. We're on to the next one. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.